Just landed here in Germany. It is 4 a.m. New York time, 10 a.m. Germany time, and 4 p.m. Bali time. So a little bit confused about what time I'm trying to get acclimated to here. We actually just went straight through passport control. We are headed out of the airport now. So in Germany, since we have this like alliance with America, like there's not a whole bunch of issues getting visas and stuff to get out of the airport. So we're here for a 12-hour layover, so we're gonna head out of the airport for a little bit, do some exploring, and then head back so we can catch our flight to Bali. So, guten Morgen, danke, let's get some schnitzels. Just copped our tickets here for the S-Bahn line. Got round trip tickets for the three of us into Frankfurt, and we're gonna go check it out, what downtown Frankfurt looks like in Germany here at 4 a.m. Eastern time.
We're either gonna go to stop 8 or 9. Not really sure what that is, but we'll find out when we get there.
Let's do it. I don't know how we made it. Somehow we found it.
I mean, we think we've
About to get hit by a bus. Wow. Not even a bus. The guy's about to get hit by an electric tram.
First time in Germany, but hey, that's just the way it goes.
We made it. Now we out here. Don't speak that language.
I don't
Sorry,
know.
brother.
Yeah, I don't know what he was saying, but
So, here we are. This architecture just right off the bat looks super amazing. This like old school, I don't know anything about architecture, but I don't know, maybe it's Victorian era? No,
Yeah.
I don't know.
it's got
I'm
a
gonna
lot
go
of
with it.
history to it.
This old school Victorian era architecture, so check this out. Römer Square in Frankfurt, Germany. This place is a sight to behold, honestly. Like, you kind of walk in like from the main train station area and you're going down this like modernist area with these big skyscrapers and everything, and then you get here to Römer and it's like you step into a different era. This is a part of Germany that survived some aerial bombings during World War II, and honestly, it's just crazy how intact it is and how well it's doing and how beautiful it really is. So I'm amazed. It's kind of surreal being here. And we're making our way from Römer Square to the Eiserner Steg, or the Iron Bridge. This is kind of the sister bridge to that one in Paris or somewhere with the locks all over it, the Love Bridge, whatever you want to call it. I think it's in Paris. But this is the one in Frankfurt.
Okay, well, on the right side you can see the Euro sign.
The Willy Brandt
The Willy Brandt-Platz,
Willy Brandt Platz.
who was a chancellor in Germany at one time.
She's getting scared.
And back there is the theater. Hi guys.
What do they do at the theater?
What?
What do they do at the theater?
Well, what do they do at a theater?
Well, is it like
Well,
a movie theater or like
no,
you watch live?
You watch live actors
Plays,
play.
or-
Yeah. Now we're walking to the Maitseil, where I think Europe's largest escalator is at. Bye.
Alright, you heard it here first. My shower.
Here first.
Longest escalator in Germany, in Europe, in the world. Longest escalator in the world. At the Meister.
No.
What?
At the Maitseil.
Meister.
Maitseil.
Meister.
No.
Mike Tyson.
Like
You say the whole word.
Geflügelbratwurst. It's without.
Geflügelbratwurst.
That was pretty good.
Oh,
His first word that he finally got.
I mean, that's what I'm
You
saying.
wanna-
If we're here long enough, things will
Yeah.
become fluent.
Jason, can you buy me a geflügel?
Yeah, it'll
You can all share it.
Bratwurst?
Here.
Geflügel Bratwurst?
You wanna get it?
I
Can you
do.
say it?
Geflügel.
Was ist das jetzt für eine?
Rindwurst, ja?
Rindwurst, ja. Okay. Ketchup, yeah. Do you want mustard?
Is that good?
Ja, und ein bisschen Senf.
Right here?
Not with.
Right here. How do you say it? Right here? No, what's it called? Right here? Windwurst. If you can see, it's really good when you take some of the bread and you pair it with the skin, and that's it.
What are we getting?
Döner.
What is that?
You'll see.
What?
Döner, ganz normal. Alle mit allem. Drum und dran und mit Knoblauchsoße, die sind aus den USA, deswegen. Und einmal Pommes.
So, dreimal Döner-Sandwich, ein Portion Pommes
Genau.
und Getränk, was haben Sie?
Is it called?
It's a Döner.
A döner.
Döner. Look, it says it on here. Döner.
We got some
It's yummy.
döner.
It's Andrew here. To Zach, Heather, Rachel, and Aiden. We got a döner here.
What?
Döner. That did pretty good.
He's just getting it. How is it?
Make sure you guys come to döner kebab.
Got the flu?
He's different.
Are you cameraizing me?
No, it's off.
Okay. Think about this. You got the flu. Then you died. You get put in something us English people call coffins. Flu coffin. You didn't like that?
For school.
I'm not in school.
They don't know that.
For Screechenhauer.
Is that how you say school? Screechenhauer?
We're headed back to our terminal here so that we can go through security and get back on our flight from Frankfurt to Singapore, which was actually the longest flight of this trip. It's going to be about 12 hours. We had an awesome day in Frankfurt out here with Katarina. I'll see you guys in Singapore. I'm going to bed. It's well past my bedtime in Bali. And so that's a wrap, guys. See ya!
Hand baggage, one plastic bag, 1 liter.